Hi, welcome to StatSuite channel. In this video, we are going to show how to use the sample size for estimation menu. So the objective of this menu is for the mean of the population, the variability sigma, or for the proportion of in a population, to find the minimum sample size, the sample size, to have a good estimation with high probability. So let's solve some examples. So first one, the mean. We want to estimate the mean, and the first thing we have to input to type is the value of sigma of this population. So let's imagine that this population has a sigma of 2.1. Normally this estimation of sigma, this sigma is not known, has been estimated, and to estimate this sigma we have used a previous sample size, normally it's a small sample size, previous sample size, to have estimation of this variability in the population. So we have to input with the sample size that has been used to estimate the sigma, and let's suppose that this sample size is 20. Okay, so now about the quality of the estimation. What is the maximum error what we would like to have? So, for example, we want a maximum error in the estimation of 0.5. And we want that this estimation is a good estimation, so the probability of having an error of more than this limit, 0.5, has to be small. So in this case, 5%. So there is a small probability, 5%, of having an error estimation of more than 0.5. Okay? So we click on calculate. We obtain that if the sigma has not been estimated, the sigma is known, there is no error in the estimation, the sample size has to be 68. If sigma has been estimated with a sample size of 20, this is the case, the sample size has to be 78. Okay? Well, if we want to copy these results to the clipboard, we have to go on the top, we click on the help options, and we have the option of copying this result to the clipboard. We have just to click on results. Okay, and now we can paste these results to another application. We click on close, and now we shift to sigma, estimation of sigma, and again we have a expected value for sigma, so we think that the value of sigma is for example a value that should be close to 4.7, and we want to the limit, the maximum error in the estimation we want to have is 0.85, and in this case with a probability of 10%. So there is a small probability of 10% of having an error of more than 0.85 in the estimation of sigma. So now we click on calculate, and the solution is we should take 54 units from the population. And the last one is proportion. So we think that the proportion in the population is a value around 35%, and the limit we want to use, the maximum limit, is for instance 0.09. Okay, so if we click on calculate, this is with a probability of 10%. So in this case is we want a maximum error in the estimation of proportion of 0.09, and the probability of having an error larger than this 10%. So we should take 90 units. See, if we reduce this probability to 5%, we should take 123 units. Okay, so this is the sample size for estimation menu. Thanks for watching.